Okay guys, nandito na naman si Sir Javi. Magbibigay na naman tayo ng bagong kaalaman sa ating mga students. Okay? So, kumusta tayong lahat? Okay pa ba tayong lahat? Okay? So, yung problem natin ngayon sa Javi, try natin sagutan ito. This is actually the application of differential equation, especially stationary points. And we have to determine the nature of stationary points, whether that is maximum, minimum, or point of inflection. Now, dito Sir Javi, ang problem given natin dito, meron tayo ng solid right circular cylinder, which is meron tayong radius where r centimeters and height in terms of centimeters. Now, meron tayong given Sir Javi. Alam naman natin, ang surface area ng cylinder formula, this one, okay, so gamitin natin ito. Surface area formula for cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. Again, yung surface area ng ating cylinder, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. Ang H natin is height, yung R is radius. Now, dito, mayroon din tayong given dito sa Javi. Ang total surface area is, it should be 2 square centimeters, sorry. That should be square centimeters, 800 square centimeters because that is surface area. Now, ang gagawin lang natin, we need to show out that the volume in terms of cubic centimeters, the cylinder is given this formula, volume or V, this one, is equal to 400R minus pi R cube. Now, paano natin ito ipoprove or i-show that the volume of our cylinder is given by this formula? So, basically, Sir Javi, meron tayong ang surface area given. So, if you can still remember, the volume of cylinder is pi r squared height. So, meron tayo, tingnan natin yung ating equation. Meron tayong r and pi. So, given the formula of volume, this one, we have pi r squared height. So, kapag titingnan natin, meron na tayong idea na yung hahanapin natin is yung h or yung height. Then, isubstitute natin sa formula ng volume. Pero, hindi natin alam kung ano yung value ng h. Therefore, gagamitin natin si surface area. Kasi given naman yung total surface area ng cylinder, which is square centimeters, 800 square centimeters. So, ang gagawin lang natin, basic lang ito, atin lang yang i-substitute sa formula. So, 800, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. So, dito Sir Javi, ang gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung value ni h, or we will express this one, we will express h or height in terms of radius or r. So, ang gagawin lang natin, di ba, tingnan natin, pwede natin i-divide ito by 2. So, divide natin lahat yan by 2. So, we have 400, dito, pi r squared, then, pi r h, tama? So, dito, i-move lang natin ito kasi i-express natin yung h in terms of r. So, we have 400 minus pi r squared is equal to pi r h. Okay, dito Sir Javi, ang next natin na gagawin is i-divide lang natin ito by pi r, both sides. Kasi express lang natin yan, yung h natin in terms of radius. So, we have, ang value ng h natin is 400 minus pi r squared over pi r. So, ito yung ating h, Sir Javi. Okay, ito yung h natin, Sir Javi, ito. Now, so hindi yan yung final na sagot natin kasi yung a natin, we need to show that the volume is equal to 400R minus pi r cube. So, ang gagawin lang natin, balikan lang natin yung ating volume formula. Ito, pi r squared height. So, meron na tayong h. So, basic lang yan. I-substitute lang natin yan sa formula. 400 minus pi r squared over pi r. Tama? So, dito, Sir Javi, ang gagawin lang natin dito, Sir Javi, atin itong isimplify. Ito, meron tayong pi r squared, then denominator pi r. So, cancel na itong pi, then r squared divide r, that is r. So, we have r times 400 minus pi r squared. Okay? So, next, volume, atin lang diyang i-distribute, r times 400, that is 400r, then r times negative pi r squared, that is negative pi r cube. Ito that is pi r cube, sorry. That is pi r cube. So, tingnan natin, Sir Javi, kung tama ba ito sa ating given. Okay? So, tama, form r minus pi r cube. Sa next video natin, sasagutan natin itong letter B and letter C. Okay? Shake lang tayo, mga math majors and mga students natin out there. Okay? This is Sir Javi. Shake.